This place is like a hidden secret in Indonesia.
No, spice is coming. Now spice is coming.
Good.
We are making chicken satay. If you want to see the heart and soul of Bali, come to SIDEMEN. We are Abhi and Yvanka. If you're just tuning in for the first time, we have been traveling Indonesia and having the best time of our lives. Our travels so far have taken us to Yogyakarta, the volcanoes of Mount Bromo and Mount Ijen, the chill vibes of Canggu, the awe-inspiring beauty of Nusa Penida, and the magical heaven on earth that is Ubud. In this video, we explore the much more local and way less touristy side of Bali at SIDEMEN. SIDEMEN is genuinely a hidden gem of Bali that is relatively less explored. With Bali's highest peak, Mount Agung, constantly on the horizon, it's full of rice fields, farms, and just pure nature. Watch this video till the end to get the full experience of our amazing rice field trekking adventure and enjoy as we learn to cook Balinese food in the most local setting. So subscribe, give this video a like, and let's get started. Welcome from Bali. Today we are leaving for SIDEMEN.
Please.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's time to explore SIDEMEN for the next 2 days.
We have sort of broken down in the middle of the road while on the way to SIDEMEN. The road is very steep, so I think the clutch plate is really burnt off, so we are waiting for it to cool down a little bit. There was some smoke from the car, so not the most exciting experience, but look where we have stopped.
Made it!
This place is even better than the place we had in Ubud. Alright, the place we are at is called Sava Indah Villa, and it's situated right on top of these amazing rice paddies. Okay, so this is our door. Let's go inside. Welcome to this amazing bed. Here we have an incredible nice spot. You can just sit here and read your book with a nice garden view outside. This is the bathroom with the huge space. We have a nice hot tub, indoor shower and outdoor shower. And we have a small fountain. It's not running right now. Now for the best part, this is our balcony terrace area and the rice fields. Okay, we're gonna make the most of our trip here. We're gonna head to the reception and check if we can go for some rice fields trekking. Oh look, I found a local Balinese woman just lying in one of these terraced huts.
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with this place.
Every place we go beats the previous place. This is probably even a better version of Ubud. It's really beautiful. This is called arak. It's a local Balinese alcohol and it works. In 1 hour we have a rice fields trekking tour with a guide who's going to show us how rice is planted and harvested.
And hopefully that goes well, because yesterday Abhi already fell into one of the rice pools.
Oh yes, let's not go there. So for lunch I have ordered pepes ikan. It is fish wrapped in banana leaf. That's fish with some beans and sprouts, it looks like, and some rice. Very local. This place is like a hidden secret in Indonesia. Before coming to Bali, we had never heard of SIDEMEN. We googled a few blogs and stuff and learned about this place, but we are now really thinking we should have stayed here at least a week. It's so beautiful. Oh, if you touch it, it closes, right?
So we call it the Putri Malu. The
Putri
name
Malu.
of the plant is cacao.
Cacao plant.
Yeah,
Oh,
this one is the cacao plant.
Oh,
Also
wow.
the green.
yeah.
We love cacao.
Ivanka is happy. There are only some snakes. They're not going to come to us.
So, and for the rice, we got here first 4 months. After 4 months, the rice is done. And then we can plant something else. Yeah. So this is the chili pepper.
Oh, yeah. This is how the locals live in SIDEMEN. It's absolutely beautiful. They're growing all sorts of vegetables like chili, taro, This is a much more intimate side of Bali. Behind the tree you can see Mount Agung. That is the highest peak in Bali. It's an active volcano, just like every other mountain. You want to try the spicy one? We have some water, so let's see. Dutch people trying local Indonesian chili, yeah? You don't see that very often.
I have to taste a bit more, I think. Pretty good. Now, spice is coming. Now, spice is coming.
I'm 37.
You're 37?
Yes.
You look really young.
But 15, yeah. 15, yeah.
15, yeah.
15 years. Because I married very young.
Yeah.
I married 20.
20.
At 20. What are the names of your kids?
First one is
Putu? That's the boy.
girl.
Girl. And boy?
Youngest is boy.
The young one, the boy one is the Ketut.
Ketut.
Yeah. The last one, Ketut.
In the middle?
Komang.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, that is the same as yours.
Yeah. That's very too many
Koman
Komang.
Junior. That tour was absolutely incredible. We went inside some, not just some rice terraces, but also local private plantations of workers who live here and grow all sorts of vegetables, chili, taro, you name it. It's all there. It's so beautiful. If you want to see the heart and soul of Bali, come to SIDEMEN. This is day 2 from SIDEMEN. We have a Balinese cooking class today. We are going to be picked up in an hour, and then we are going to go to some local food markets and pick up some vegetables and start this cooking class. And tomorrow we are going to the island of Gili Trawangan, where we'll spend 5 days getting our scuba certification. Let's go.
Today we are at Klungkung Market, and it's the biggest market in the whole of Bali.
We are here to pick up some local produce before our cooking class starts.
Balinese food. Like the kiwi.
Oh yeah, Bali lychee.
Yeah, this is very good.
This market is absolutely massive, guys. Oh, that's what they use for offering in the mornings in front of their houses, almost daily. All of this is dry fish.
What does this taste like?
Cucumber, it tastes like cucumber.
Ah, cucumber.
Very good.
The night before, so I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever.
How was your experience of the vegetable market?
It's really fine. It's really big. A lot to see. It's really interesting.
When I got close, my heart was pumping.
This the vanilla in Bali like the wild, yeah? Wild like that, he put in the planting like that, going anywhere.
Vanilla.
The crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere.
Then ready, like that inside. And then there's the chewing.
Cacao
Chewing and
seeds.
then cacao.
These are
This-
after we roast them. Oh wow.
Chocolate.
Oh wow. Yeah, this is better than chocolate.
Oh, so good.
Coconut oil.
That's family bamboo. I got it on the jungle. Yeah.
And when the music started to fade out, the first rays of sunlight lit up your eyes. Oh, how I
Ivanka making some fresh sambal.
so we can keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere.
Ah, good.
We're making chicken satay. Alright, now we are going to grill satay we just put on the skewers.
Good urap. And this the gado-gado. And this the corn fritter. This the vegetarian curry. This the extra the chicken. And this the chicken satay. And this the chicken roast sambal. Bitter cucumber with tomato sauce. Roast sambal.
I've completely stuffed my plate. We just returned from our Balinese cooking class experience. It was a wonderful day, and then went into this wonderful kitchen and made a whole bunch of dishes. It was way too many for us to film everything properly. We cooked some delicious chicken skewers, and we made fresh sambal, and we made this thing with sprouts and chili and lemongrass and ginger and garlic. For dessert, we had this amazing black rice pudding, which is very popular in Indonesia. I think I would definitely recommend green kitchen cooking classes. If you're in this area, please do that. It's definitely worth it. And it was just such a tremendous insight into how they live their life here in the middle of these rice fields, eating fresh vegetables, fresh food every single day. I could see how happy that guy was, because they're surrounded with nature's best landscapes and foods and culture, and I'm jealous. Anyway, we are very tired. Ivanka is not feeling very good today, unfortunately, so she's gonna rest for a bit, and we will see how she feels. If everything is fine, we might end up still visiting the waterfall, which is nearby. And until then, I'm just gonna sit on this porch and enjoy these amazing views. Okay, yeah, we are not gonna make the waterfall. It's 25 minutes away, and it's gonna close in 45 minutes. Doesn't make any sense. But it's okay, it's our last day here in SIDEMEN. We are just gonna sit here, relax, take in this experience. And tomorrow morning, we are catching a boat to our next destination, Gili Trawangan. It's part of the Gili Islands off the coast of Bali. And we are gonna spend the next 5 days getting our open water scuba certification there. So really looking forward for it. Catch you guys later.